I have been wanting to do this for a long time, pero ayoko ng kalat sa sahig, but here we go, my trusty garbage bag on the floor, and I have always cut a lot of people's hair, but not my own hair. So this is the first time I'll be cutting my hair, and I'll show you guys how it looks after. So let's cross our fingers. But here's me telling you the basic that I've learned during haircutting class. Number 1, always think about the crown of your hair. So this is the crown. Think of wearing an imaginary crown and section it like this. And this is where your rat tail comb and tip comes in, because this will be the last part of your hair that you will cut. So you have to section it right now and just leave it tied up. I told you earlier that sectioning is key to success, and also the grip of your fingers. I'll show you how. So let's try with first section, and you have to learn the basic rule in layered cut. So it's always in a vertical cut like this. So you grab a section and pull it like this, and it's very important that you have a strong grip between your pointer finger and your middle finger. So slide it out like this. So here's the thing about cut. No matter what your hair length is, it's easy to cut as long as it's layered. Just so you know, you can never do a one length or a straight cut alone. You always need someone to do it. If you want low layers, meaning the cut is very low lang, yung layered like this. So this is a low layered cut. When you grip your hair like this, or like so, the cut should be downwards, low lang. So you cut like this, the effect will be low layers. If you want it a little bit higher, so we call it medium layer, do it like this. It's the angle. So angle makes a huge difference. And if you want Korean really high layers, or for those who are into Friends, the racial cut in the 90s, go higher like this. So you're gonna comb it upwards like this. You really have to grip your hair, pull, and cut upwards. Then the effect will be higher layers. So that's the basic rules. ¿Entiendes? I will be doing just a basic trim and just to fix my layers, and I'll do it right now.